guys, this is Summer. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are not new here, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here either way. Today we are doing one of Susan Young 1974's challenges, and this one is the Drag Queen Challenge. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So today we're doing the Drag Queen Challenge put out by Susan Young, 1974. Make sure you go check Susan out. I'm going to link her in the cards right up here and then in the description box down below. So make sure you definitely go check her out. She's got an awesome channel. She does lots of fun challenges and she does lots and lots of reviews on brand new products. So definitely make sure you go check her channel out. Alright guys, so I don't want to offend anybody trying to do a drag queen look. I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing. I just know that drag queens usually do really dramatic, beautiful makeup, so I just tried to do that. I did not do my eyebrows with glue, but I did definitely draw my eyebrows on a bit with the pencil and just try to make it a really big, bold arch. And then I went with these crazy long false eyelashes, which are driving me crazy, but they look cute. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this look. you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go check out Susan Young 1974. You can also follow me on social media at It's Always Summer 2018 on Instagram and It's Always Summer on Twitter. Make sure you do that. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it before you head out of here today. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also ring that little bell so that you'll be notified when I post future content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.